So before I went away, I froze some soup, which is now unfrozen. I had some fish in there that were frozen, but now unfrozen. Some ice cream for Isabel, just unfrozen. But the fucking ice cubes are still frozen. How the fuck can that be? My fucking chicken is fucking unfrozen, and my fucking turkey is still frozen. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? It's fucking bizarre. You fucking stupid cunt in fucking fridge. Seriously.